Welcome to Building 7 at the Spode factory that has been closed since 2008.
Okay.
Here on the ground floor, evidence of the factory prior to 2008 is mixed with more recent storage from the BCB, the British Ceramics Biennial, that organises an event celebrating the creative potential of clay for 6 weeks every 2 years. These are the casters and spongers on their last day of work in this building in 2008.
Can I take pictures here or not?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Hello, mate. Yeah, you. I just wanted to...
The only light comes from rooms with external windows. Okay, this is significant. At the base of the stairs is a slip clay mixing machine, or blunger. Clay was added to a water-filled blunger and mixed into a slurry or slip.
I presume it's some sort of a mixing thing, and then that grey pipe there would have connected to that one. And then if you could, when we go upstairs, you'll see there's stations where it would have come down, been piped down into various moulds.
Blungers are very rare. This is a museum piece.
So do you know what this room stroke building...
In this room there continues a mix of the old factory and relatively new storage.
Casting. So did you pick up this in this corridor at the slip vat?
No. No, good. Anything like that you can point out, then it's got to be worth filming.
It's good you're all wearing my hard hat then. I just went straight through that doorway and smashed my head.
No.
This is old, a worker's secure cupboard. And Mao's cabinet in the stoke-on department. Please leave a comment if you know what the stoke-on department did.
So engaging that a few subtitles here and there just to let people know.
This is interesting. These are plaster cast moulds that were in use upstairs in the last weeks of production in 2008. These are undecorated beast product that were cast upstairs and brought to the ground floor to dry fully before going on to decoration elsewhere in another building. Flowers were mass produced by a skilled worker to be added and decorated to other items. This building has had surgery in line with decreasing production capacity. We are now on the top floor, which would previously have been the first of 2 upper floors. This was the main production section.
Originally this would have had another floor on it as well, so where the staircase is there, you can see where the next set used to go up. Yeah.
So what would this area be used for again?
I think it was for slip casting.
Okay.
This is from the last day of production, a dried out barrow of wet slip clay tubes that would have been placed in the blunger.
Yeah, you can see the big pipes here, so I think originally they would have gone towards you. And then it comes down in these hoses, so you can turn on and off.
So literally the slip clay would come out of pipes and go into moulds or whatever to make plates or something pretty basic.
So, well, it could be anything.
This is what the slip casting department would have looked like 40 years ago.
So no one else would have put stuff in here for storage like this contraption probably.
I think that's been modified.
Here is more evidence of the packing of white goods that also used to take place on this floor. This was unexpected. I am not sure who would have made this. I guess it was gifted to the factory by a community group.
Makes it human.
Yeah, that's it.
And that is.
On my way out, something that I missed earlier. Evidence of real people. These are local people that joined straight from school and worked at Spode for their whole life up to retirement. Stories of Terry and Chris. Nancy and Neil. Factory humour at its best. These are now likely the ghosts of the past.
By 4 or 5 people a week, basically.
That's good.
There is a second part to Building 7 that faces along the main drag to the Eleanora Street gate.
Don't mind that, I only need one hand to hold the camera.
I'd advise staying out of this room.
Okay.
probably go into this corner, but wouldn't go under that.
It is not in great shape. These are the leather bands that would have bound the plaster of Paris moulds. The very latest Spode Site development plans have this part of the building down to be demolished.
I'm going to go back through the corridor.
Okay.
Rather than upsetting the vision together.
So, would this be anything in particular?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'd have to check on the visual break-in, but touch wood, we've been quite lucky.
Please don't demolish this building. Let's keep the integrity of a full Building 7 intact. Thanks for watching. If you found this clip interesting, please like and leave a comment. This is one in a series of videos taken on the same day. Look out for the others on this historical site.